So let's now discuss what are superlative adjectives. As compared to comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives are a bit tricky. We use comparative adjectives to compare two things, but we use superlative adjectives to compare more than two things, or to compare one thing with a group of objects. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality: the tallest, the smallest, the fastest, the highest. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Now there is comparison not between two things but more than two things. When one thing is being compared with a group of objects, it is formed by noun, subject plus verb plus plus the superlative adjectives plus noun, that is object. Now let's see some other examples of superlative adjectives. My house is the largest one in our neighborhood. This is the smallest box I have ever seen. Your dog ran the fastest of any dog in the race. We all threw our rocks at the same time. My rock flew the highest of all the rocks is understood, So you see in these examples, one thing is being compared to a group of things or more than, one thing. Now we'll see what are one syllable adjectives. We add er for the comparative and est for the superlative degree if the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling. The final consonant must be doubled before adding the ending. Now see tall, T-A-L-L. Now you see there is a consonant before a vowel and a consonant after a vowel. That's why we double the last letter before adding er or est. And same is the case with fat, fatter, fattest, big, bigger, biggest, sad, sadder, saddest. I hope it is clear. Now let's come towards two-syllable adjectives. Two syllables. Adjectives with two syllables can form the comparative either by adding er or by preceding the adjective with more. These adjectives from the superlative either by adding est or by preceding the adjective with most. In many cases, both forms are used, although one usage will be more common than the other. If you are not sure whether a two-syllable adjective can take a comparative or superlative ending, play it safe and use more and most instead. For adjectives ending in y, change the y to an I before adding the ending. So one thing that is clear, it is that for one syllable word or one syllable adjective we add er or est, but for two syllable or more than two syllable word we add more or most. Now let's see the example of comparative and superlative adjectives. Happy, happier, happiest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Busy, busier, busiest. Tilted, more tilted, most tilted. Tangled, more tangled, most tangled. Now let's see three or more than three syllable words, how we are going to work with three or more syllable words. Adjectives with three or more syllable form the comparative by putting more in front of the adjective, and the superlative by putting most in front. Adjective important, because it's more than three syllable or more, three syllable word. Important, more important, most important. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. There are few irregular comparative and superlative. These very common adjectives have completely irregular comparative and superlatives. They do not add er or est or more or most, rather they totally change the word. Let's see. Good, better, best. You see the word is totally changed. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much or many, more, most. Far, further, furthest or farther. Girls, this is the end of my lecture and I hope you have understood it well. If you still have any query, I'm going to share a few more videos with you. Kindly watch them when you get time. Thank you very much, and if you have any query, you can text me. Thank you very much.